Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials, your Pldt account number and the mobile or email tied to it. Once done, make sure any outstanding balance is cleared, because unpaid bills can prevent changes. Next, pick the exact plan name and speed you want, and decide on billing method, card or auto pay. Now log in to your Pldt account online or open the Pldt Home app and navigate directly to the Manage Plan or Account Services section to start the change. You now compare available plans side by side, check speeds, promos, installation or upgrade fees, and any contract extension. Once you select a plan, review prorated charges and the effective date so billing aligns. Then authorize the change. Pldt will require an OTP to your registered mobile, an e-signature in the portal, or recorded phone confirmation. After authorization, you will see a summary. Confirm it, because this sets the new billing and service start date. You finalize by paying any required upgrade or activation fees right away. Immediate payment prevents scheduling delays. Once paid, Pldt sends a confirmation email or SMS with your activation schedule and a customer reference number. Save that. If the plan change requires a technician visit, confirm the appointment time. If activation stalls, gather your account number, payment receipt, and reference number. Then call Pldt support or use chat for escalation. This speeds resolution and avoids repeated steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.